Hello, I am Banana. I give you quick natural energy. I'm rich and must the horses. Eat me before workouts or when you feel tired.
If you are looking for a way to create content and make money this year, the best way to make money very easy is to create viral AI faceless 3D video content. And in this video, I will teach you how to create this viral AI animated talking fruit video using free AI. Okay, if you want to start up a new channel and then start creating AI animated video content and monetize it on YouTube and other social media platforms, then this video is for you. Be sure you watch this video to the end because I will show you the step-by-step process on how you can create this kind of videos for free. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and follow this page for more free tutorials. Alright, let me show you how I created this animation. So the first step is for you to open up your ChatGPT 2. So go to Play Store, download ChatGPT, and then click on that Ask ChatGPT so that you can be able to open it up. Then you're going to paste this prompt. Okay, I hope you're following along with me. If you want to get this exact prompt I use, drop a comment, fruit. I'll send you the prompt so that you can be able to copy it and be able to create your own cartoon 3D videos using free AI tools. Okay, then once you paste that prompt, then you're going to send it to ChatGPT. So they are going to give you 5 motion prompts. Okay, so that 5 motion prompt now is the one you can now use to generate 3D AI videos on your phone for free. So I'm going to see they gave us orange, strawberry, watermelon. They gave us 5 fruits. So I will now choose any one I would like to choose. So in my own case, I'm going to choose banana. So I'll look for it at the top, see it here. So just copy out the prompt that ChatGPT gives to you now. Okay, only that prompt part that you are going to copy. So I'm going to copy this particular prompt now. So once you copy this prompt now, okay, once I will select the prompt in order for me to copy it. Okay, so touch the area and then you will see copy. So even select also the script because they're going to paste the script and everything. So the free AI tool is going to give you the video and also give you the voiceover. Okay, very easy. So once I copy it, then I'll open up the free AI tools. Okay, so this is the free AI tools I will be using. So I will go to create videos. Okay, there are different AI tools video generation app available, but if you want to get the free AI tools I use and also learn how to create a longer AI videos for free, I recommend you join my 3D animation class. Okay, so comment I'm interested in the comment section. I will send you the link to join my animation class. Okay, then you can now join us and then get all this app and everything I use to create 3D long videos. So you're going to paste in your prompt in create videos, ask imagine. You're going to then you're going to set up your aspect ratio because this video is for YouTube. So I'm going to select this one 16:9. That is normal landscape for YouTube long videos. Okay, so I'm now going to click on the video, then I'll send the message to the AI tools. So now they will now generate the video for us. I already send the message, so they are creating the video right now. As you can see, it is loading. So very soon now they will give us the image for us to see. It's already loading, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, they've already generated the 3D animation video for us. Even they added voiceover to it. So first of all, I'm going to save the video. I'm going to download the video. So click on that download button over there to download it. So let me play the video for you now to see.
Hello, I am Banana. I give you quick natural energy. I'm rich and must the horses. Eat me before workouts or when you feel tired.
So guys, it's just so what happened now. Okay, so 3D animation now it has become so easy. Okay, I have over 5 AI app that you can use to generate 3D videos for free, long videos. Okay, so if you want to learn how to create long viral AI 3D cartoon videos for free using your AI app in your phone, then I recommend you join my 3D animation class. So inside the class, I'll teach you step by step how to create longer AI 3D animation videos, the best free AI tools that you can use to generate your videos and prompts. Okay, I'm also going to teach you how to prompt and get good results. Okay, also how to monetize your AI content without issue. So you don't need a laptop now for 3D animation. Just with your smartphone and the right guidance. So in the class, I will send you all the free AI apps that you will need to start creating your own AI video content immediately. If you want to join, comment "I'm interested" below, or use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me. Okay, so subscribe to this channel for more free animation tutorials. Like this video if it helped you, comment fruit if you want my prompt, and tell me what AI video should I create in my next tutorial. Drop it in the comment section. All right, I will see you on my next video.